If you're struggling to get a consistent flow of customers to your business, you're not alone. But what if I told you in just 7 days you could have a system that brings in consistent leads and sales without the guesswork? I want to introduce you to the Marketing Accelerator, a complete step by step system to help business owners like you thrive. In just 1 week, I'll show you how to create irresistible offers, launch automated funnels that run 24/7, and run profitable Facebook and Instagram ads that bring in consistent, high quality leads. Let's go over the program in more detail. We have a on-demand course and 5 days of live training, 90 minutes with me, Jonathan, your instructor, where I'll show you step-by-step how to build and launch a funnel and run Facebook and ad campaigns that brings in up to 100 sales a day. And you don't have to be tech savvy, you don't have to have a product, and you don't even have to have a clue what is a funnel. I'm going to teach you everything you need to generate sales online. This is everything you're going to get when you sign up. You're going to get a personalized digital marketing strategy blueprint. I'm going to show you the funnel, the ads, the sale copy, even your competitor ads, so you know exactly what to run to attract your ideal client, how to create offers that your ideal clients can't resist, how to build a marketing funnel that works 24/7 that turns visitors into leads automatically, how to run Facebook and Instagram ads, the most important, how to do the setup and everything that you need, how to use ChatGPT AI to not only improve your copywriting, but also improve your ads so you get the most amount of leads. We have 5 live training sessions every week, Monday through Friday, where you get 90-minute access to me, your marketing coach, to show you step by step how to improve your ads and your funnel so you get the highest ROI. You also get access to our on-demand video library. You'll also get access to join a community of ambitious entrepreneurs, all sharing the inside secrets and helping to scale each other's businesses online. Meet some of our star students like Vivian, who generated an additional $10,000 to her business using our funnel and ads training. Meet Junior, who's been with us for over 4 years. He's generated an additional $5,000 within the first month of using our system, and he's continued to use the system for all 4 of his businesses. When you join today, you'll get access to everything you need to scale your business online: the on-demand course, the weekly live workshop, and the supportive community. You can enroll today for just a one-time payment of $47 and get access to a 7-day trial to our course and program. And then if you like the program and want to continue, it's just $149 a month. I'm Jonathan Acuna, your marketing expert, and I look forward to seeing you not only in the course, but definitely in the live trainings where I can help you build the business that you've always dreamed of. This is a limited time offer, so click the link below to sign up today to lock in the low price, because we will be raising prices soon. See you in the course.